Okay, guys. Looks like Willie wants a bit of competition. I can deal with that. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Okay. Alright, train video part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Train, freaking train. Matt Payne loves trains. Everyone hates him. He's so sad, crying in the corner. But then I come over and beat them up. Owned. But Matt Payne gets up, says, "Lol, I love trains so much. I love trains. My name is Matt Payne and I love trains." But then everyone's like, "Matt, we're gonna throw you in the bin." Then he's like, "Trains." And I say, "What? Freaking what? Freaking what? Served."